Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Turtlebox. So super excited. I just got this. I got the straps also. Plan to take it to the beach with me in a couple of weeks. Gonna hook it up on the John boat and go fishing with it. It's awesome that it's, completely waterproof. These straps will help keep it on, but let's go ahead and start unboxing it here. So open it up, and really cool high-end packaging. It's got a little manual there. Got the charger here. So that's what the charger looks like on both ends. Two-prong to a little voltage connector. And let's go ahead and open it up. So nothing else in the box, just the speaker itself. This thing is heavy duty. It's awesome, man. I love that they went with the 6x9 size too. It just reminds me of old school 6x9 box. Really, really cool. So let's get this thing up here. You can take a quick look at it. So I went with the green with the orange speaker, and that's where those straps will hook on there. This thing is sweet. So up top you've got, let me try to get out of the light here. You've got the power button. You've got volume up and down, skip tracks and everything, the Bluetooth connect, and then this is the stereo pairing for like if you want to pair it with other turtle boxes. So yeah, there's not much more to it. Rubberized handle, real cool and sturdy. Back here, let's see, speaker's not waterproof. Port cover is open, so that's good. So listen for the click back here. Make sure it's closed to make sure it's waterproofed and everything. I love that it's got some rubberized feet back here, so you can lay it like that, or the rubberized feet here, you can lay it like that. So anyways, yeah, super excited about this. Just wanted to show you the unboxing experience.